This is Apple Pencil Pro, and yes, I did give in and I bought it after I said I wouldn't, which most of you guys see my uncolor corrected video, which was visually terrible. To be honest, I was not expecting to like the Apple Pencil Pro of all products. To be honest with you, I didn't think I would use it. That was until I found one app that very much changed that for me, and that was Final Cut Pro for the iPad. The creativity you can do with this. So the feature that I use this for is live drawing. Live drawing allows you to draw onto your video while you're editing it, and it'll create a cute little animation or a cool little animation depending on how creative you are. But one reason why I like using it is because I feel like it really shows off expressions. Not only that, you guys get to see how horrible my hand drawing is. That was a firework. And there's a plane. Also, Final Cut makes it very easy for you to make these animations using just the Apple Pencil and the software itself. It automatically creates those animations for you just if you draw them, and it sort of records it and then it plays it out for you. You can even set the duration. So let me show you how to use it. First off, you want to go ahead and press this little pencil symbol up on top. Right after that, it should bring you to a screen with your pencil and what to draw with. After doing your doodling and drawing around yourself and sort of bringing out that creativity, you're going to go ahead and click done. After you click done, it's going to basically recreate those except as a live drawing. But for this instance, yes, I am sitting in the middle of a road. But let's go ahead and make a little bubble. Let's go here. We're gonna draw hello. We could even do some little fire flames in the background, just draw them out. And you can basically just get really creative with it. This is fun because you can show your expressions and stuff like that. But overall, just look how cool this is. Like, you can see all the drawings that I drew, but you can see all of the expressions I drew, all the cool little art pieces, and then like I said, you can get really creative with it. I think this is absolutely an absolute amazing feature that Apple has added for the Apple Pencil and Final Cut Pro. I feel like this feature really makes the Apple Pencil Pro worth it if you have the new iPad. But yeah, that's kind of my thought on it. I hope you guys like this video, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know what you guys think, because I think it's absolutely amazing to add like a whole bunch of art.